अब हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. So yesterday I have explained you about the torque acting on the magnetic dipole. Today I will explain some more formulae related to the magnetic dipole. So here there is one formula. Work done in rotating the magnetic dipole by an angle theta from equilibrium position situated in external magnetic field. Now, as we know that every magnetic dipole is having its own magnetic field and it is surrounded by its own magnetic field. हर एक मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल की खुद की अपनी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होती है and it is surrounded by that magnetic field. But now here it is situated in some other external magnetic field, and here it is situated in uniform external magnetic field. Uniform external magnetic field. I have taken uniform magnetic field. Uniform means which remains same throughout the region with respect to magnitude as well as in direction. So you can see here there is a uniform magnetic field in this region. And suppose this is the magnetic dipole. Here it is its north pole and this end is south pole. We have taken this as north pole and this as south pole. This will be the stable equilibrium position of the dipole that I have told yesterday. That if the magnetic moment vector, magnetic field vector are parallel, it will be in the stable equilibrium position. But suppose if the magnet is placed in this way, then south will be here and north will be here. Magnetic moment is directed in this direction. Magnetic field is directed opposite to that, and now it will be in the unstable equilibrium. So there is a magnetic dipole. This is the magnetic dipole which is situated in some uniform external magnetic field in the equilibrium position. Means it is placed in this way. Now if you have to rotate it by an angle theta, then what will be the work done? So you can see here, if I show in the diagram, this is the present position of the dipole. Dipole is in this position. It is placed in the equilibrium position. Now if I rotate it by an angle theta from this direction, अगर इस डायरेक्शन से थीटा एंगल से रोटेट करें, मींस नाउ it is rotated in this direction. What is the direction of magnetic moment now? This is the south pole, this is north pole, and magnetic moment will be now this. What is the angle between magnetic moment and magnetic field? It is theta. Now see here, what is the torque acting in this position? No torque will act upon it. But as soon as you rotate it, it will experience an increasing torque which becomes maximum in this position. As long as it is placed in this way, there is no torque. But when you will rotate it and rotate it more and more, torque will increase and it will become maximum in this position. Here it will become maximum when it is placed perpendicularly. So what will be the work done here? So in case of the electric dipole, in the same situation, you have seen that the work done is W equals to PE1 minus cos theta. Here we will translate this formula in magnetostatics in terms of the in terms of magnetic terms. So see here, what will be the term in place of P? It is electric dipole moment, here magnetic dipole moment. Here it is electric field, here it will be magnetic field. 1 minus cos theta. This will be the work done. It's clear. Now there is one more formula. What is the potential energy of the dipole in this position? So potential energy means how much work will be done in establishing the dipole in this position in external uniform magnetic field. In external uniform magnetic field, how much work will be done? So potential energy of dipole situated in external uniform magnetic field. So see here, what will be the potential energy in this position? As we know that what is potential energy? It is the work done in establishing in that position. It's clear. So U theta will be equal to minus MB cos theta. As you know that in electric dipole, the same formula is this. U theta equals to minus PE cos theta. It's clear. Now here U theta equals to minus MB cos theta. This. Now see here. So these are all formulae related to the magnetic dipole. Now one more thing, I have explained you unit of magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is a term which expresses the strength of the magnetic dipole. मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल कितना स्ट्रांगर है ये किससे पता चलेगा? उसके मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट से. मोर स्ट्रांगर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट विल बी मोर, लेस स्ट्रांगर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट विल बी लेस. Its unit, one unit I have told that this is the defining equation of magnetic moment. Tau max equals to m into b, and from that I have deduced the definition. It's clear. Yesterday I have explained. You can watch the videos once again. From that you can know what is the unit of magnetic moment. I have deduced one unit of magnetic moment from this, that is ampere meter square. Now another unit I am going to deduce of this, and both are the SI unit. So here you have seen that U theta equals to minus MB cos theta. When dipole is placed in the uniform magnetic field in such a way that the dipole moment vector makes an angle theta from the magnetic field vector. अभी dipole moment vector कितना एंगल बना रहा magnetic field vector से? थीटा एंगल बना रहा. It is making what angle? Theta angle. So in this position, what will be the potential energy? What will be the potential energy? It is given by this. It is clear. Now see here, means this much work will be obtained, because here the sign is negative, means this much work will be obtained in establishing the dipole inside the uniform magnetic field in this position. It's clear. When theta will be 0, theta equals to 0 degree, means when vector M and vector B both are parallel. In that case, what will be u 0 degree? It will be minus mb cos 0 degree. That is equals to minus mb. It's clear. When dipole is established in this way, normal to the magnetic field. Here it is placed normal to the magnetic field. Magnetic moment vector is this. In this case, theta will be 90. And theta will be 90. So u 90 degree equals to minus mb cos 90, and cos 90 is how much? 0. So it will be 0. Now by using this formula, we will deduce one unit of m that I was going to tell. So see here, numerically it is equal to what? Numerically mb cos theta. So what will be m? U theta upon b cos theta. Now what is U? U is potential energy. This is the formula of potential energy. U is potential energy. What will be its unit? So if you see, its unit will be equal to joule. Unit will be joule. Now see here, B, what is the unit of B? So one unit of B is Newton per ampere per meter, and the other unit is Tesla. So I am taking Tesla. It's clear. Cos theta trigonometrical term, no having no unit. So it is joule per Tesla. So all of you remember that the unit of magnetic moment is joule per Tesla also. Here there is one unit, ampere meter square and joule per Tesla, and both are equal also because both are the SI units. Both are SI units, so both are equal also. It's clear. Now after this, one more thing which I have forgot to tell you. See here, CGS unit of magnetic field. And this unit is very popular because the Tesla, it is a, if I say the magnetic field of one Tesla, then it is a very strong magnetic field. If we see the magnitude of the Earth's magnetic field, it is nearly 0.4 Gauss. Gauss is the CGS unit. CGS unit of B. Magnetic field की CGS unit है. And what is the relation between Gauss and Tesla? So 1 Gauss equals to 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. It is clear. This is 1 Gauss. Now see here, the topics which I have taught to you, you will get in the chapter 9. In your course, firstly they have taught the electromagnetism. Electromagnetism मतलब करंट के कारण कितनी मैग्नेटिज्म प्रोड्यूस होती है. And then they have given the concept of magnetic field. In most of the book you will get like this. But here I have told you, first I have given the concept of magnetic field. हमने पहले ये बताया कि magnetic field है क्या, उसके क्या कैसे प्रोड्यूस होती है, जो तुमको मालूम है मैग्नेट से प्रोड्यूस होती है. पहले हमने उसके बारे में बताया. एंड देन after that we will proceed towards the electromagnetic. So this you will get in the chapter 9. All these things you will get in chapter 9. Today I am going to do numericals based over these formulae, and that you will get in the chapter 9 exercise. Chapter 9 is magnetic field and earth magnetic. Magnetic You can open your book and earth magnetic. In the previous year syllabus, in the reduced syllabus of previous year, earth magnetic was not in course. अभी reduced syllabus ISC का नहीं आया है, so we will wait for that. Now you can see page 441, and in this exercise you will do question number 1 to question number 8. These are based on these formulae. So you can open your book. सब लोग अपनी बुक को ओपन कर ले. Have you opened the book? So see here, you can see question number 1. Here I am showing the book. This is the book. Question number 1, you can see a small magnetic needle of magnetic moment 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule per Tesla is placed at 30 degree with the uniform external magnetic field of magnitude this. What is the magnitude and direction of the torque acting on the needle? You have to find the magnitude and direction of torque. So you can see here. Question 1. Here magnetic field is this. And what is magnitude of magnetic field? 3 into 10 की power minus 2 Tesla. And magnetic dipole is placed in such a way that it makes an angle of 30 degree with the magnetic field. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट वेक्टर एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वेक्टर के बीच का एंगल कितना है? इट इज 30 degree. Theta equals to 30 degree. Here magnetic moment is given how much? 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule per Tesla. You have to determine what is the magnitude and direction of torque. So tau equals to mb sin theta. We know this is the formula, mb sin theta. It is 4.8 into 10 की power minus 2. 3 into 10 की power minus 2. Sin 30 degree. So it is 4.8 into 3 into 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. It is clear? Into 10 to the power minus 4. And what is the unit of torque? So torque unit is Newton meter. What is the unit of torque? Newton meter. So when you will simplify, it is 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meter. This. Now direction of torque. So see here what is the direction of torque? This torque is acting in what direction? It is acting in this direction. Means its tendency is to bring the dipole along the magnetic field. टॉर्क की टेंडेंसी क्या है कि डाइपोल को मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के along ले आए. It's clear. Suppose if it is kept like this. You can see here. Suppose magnetic field is this and dipole is placed in this way. This is the magnetic moment vector. This is theta equals to 30 degree. Now in which direction torque will act? Torque will act in anti-clockwise. Here it is acting in clockwise. Here it is acting anti-clockwise. But we will not write the direction as clockwise or anti-clockwise. We will say that the tendency of torque is to bring the dipole in the direction of magnetic field. Tendency of torque is to bring the dipole in the direction of magnetic field. So see here, you can write torque has tendency to rotate dipole. क्योंकि टॉर्क क्या करेगा? रोटेट करेगा. rotate the and bring in the direction of external magnetic field. Why do we say external magnetic field? Because it also produces its own magnetic field. Because it is magnetized magnetic dipole, therefore it must be surrounded by its own magnetic field. But this magnetic field is not produced by this. It is clear. That's why this magnetic field is called as external magnetic field. Now you can see the question number 6. Or you see the question number 4. First you see question number 4. A short bar magnet of magnetic moment. Here it is magnetic moment is represented by small m and it is given 0.32 joule per Tesla. It's free to rotate in a plane of uniform external magnetic field of this. B equals to 0.15 Tesla. What orientations of magnet would correspond to stable and unstable equilibrium? So see here, this thing I have told many times, that in which orientation magnetic dipole will be in the stable equilibrium position when situated in uniform magnetic field. So see here, this is the direction of uniform magnetic field. When dipole is situated in such a way that magnetic moment is in direction of magnetic field vector, then it will be in the stable equilibrium. It is in the stable equilibrium. You can see here. Equilibrium. So for stable equilibrium, what should be the angle between the magnetic moment vector and magnetic field vector? 0 degree. In this case, it will be in the unstable. It will be unstable. Here, unstable equilibrium. Now, after this, you have to find what is the potential energy of the magnet in each case. So this is the first case, which is the stable equilibrium. This is the second case, which is the unstable equilibrium. I can write. You can find the potential energy. So what will be the potential energy? Potential energy U theta equals to minus mb cos theta. In stable equilibrium, What is theta? Theta equals to 0 degree. And theta equals to 0 degree. So you can find out u equals to minus mb cos 0. Cos 0 degree is 1. That is equals to minus mb. Now you substitute the value. What is m here? 0.32 and b is 0.15. So when you will calculate, it will come out minus 0.048 and it is potential energy, therefore it will be joule. So have you understood? Now in the unstable equilibrium, you can see what will be theta. Here vector m is this, vector b is this, theta will be 180. Theta is 180, so it will be cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. So it will be MB and MB. Therefore, what will be U? It will be 0.048 joule. So that I am not doing completely, just I have explained. Now after this, you see the question number here 7. You see the question number 7. After question number 8, there are the numericals on Earth's magnetic field. So those we will not do just now. Now you see the question number 7, and this is very good question. Two small magnets are placed along a straight line at a distance 20 centimeters from each other. Now here it is given small magnets, means 2L will be negligible.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 फिर से
The
दिखाइए।
distance 20 centimeter means center से center तक की distance कितनी है? It is 20 centimeter. This is one magnet and this is the another magnet because they are placed along the same straight line.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4
What is the distance from center to center? It is 20 centimeter. This. Two small magnets are placed along a straight line at a distance of 20 centimeters from each other and their north poles are facing. Means इसका north इसके north के सामने है, मतलब इनके south ये. It is clear.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Question
If
number
their
4.
magnetic moments are, इसका magnetic moment is 0.20 in SI unit joule per Tesla. And here 0.40 joule per Tesla. Then find the magnetic field at the middle point. Middle point means this point. So see here, what is the distance of the middle point from the center of each magnet? Distance of middle point from center of each magnet. Here it is 10 centimeter. Now this point O, I have named middle point as O. This is lying on the axial position of both the magnet. O lies on axial position of both magnets. Now see here, ये वाला जो magnet है, it will produce the magnetic field here in what direction? So it will produce magnetic field here in this direction. And this one will produce magnetic field in what direction? So it will produce magnetic field in this direction. Away from the North Pole. It will be away from the North Pole. You have to find the net magnetic field. So first you find out B1 and B2. So what is the formula of B on axial position because of a short dipole? so that you know B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2m upon r cube. अब बड़ा सिंपल सा है. Here magnetic moment is 0.2, here it is 0.4. तो जितनी वैल्यू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की यहां पर इससे आएगी उसकी ट्वाइस इससे आएगी, बिकॉज द अदर थिंग्स आर सेम, डिस्टेंस इज सेम. What is mu naught upon 4 pi 10 की power minus 7? All of you remember this, that the value of mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 to the power minus 7. This is 2 into 0.2 divided by 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter you can write 0.1 meter. That is 0.1 whole square. So you simplify it further. 10 to the power minus 7 into 0.4 upon 10 to the power minus 2. I am writing directly. 0.1 is 10 to the power minus 1. It's whole square. So 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. This is B1. Similarly, you will calculate B2. So that I am not calculating, but you will calculate, you will show this thing. That will come out 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. So what will be the net magnetic field? So net magnetic field, you can see B1 and B2 are oppositely directed. Therefore, it will be B2 minus B1. And B2 minus B1 means this minus this. 0.4, it will come out 0.4 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. And directed towards which? Directed towards the magnet of this moment. It's clear. This you can write 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Here in your book it comes 4.0. There may be some mistake. You can check here. It's clear. Yes. That you can check, but perhaps there is no mistake here. Here answer may be wrong. So that you can check, there may be some mistake. This minus this, it is 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Now after this, you can see question number 8. Question number 8, you can see two mutually perpendicular lines are drawn on a table. Means one line is this and another line is this. These are the two mutually perpendicular lines. It's clear. Now two small magnets whose magnetic moments are this and this are placed on these lines. Means एक ये रखा हुआ magnet और एक magnet यहाँ पर रखा हुआ. If the distance of the point of intersection of these lines, point of intersection is this, be respectively 30 and 40 from these magnets. मतलब इसकी डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ, जब मैग्नेट से डिस्टेंस मतलब मैग्नेट के सेंटर से डिस्टेंस, मैग्नेट से डिस्टेंस का मतलब मैग्नेट के सेंटर से डिस्टेंस. दिस इज 30 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. 40 centimeter. Find the resultant magnetic field. So very simple. You take its north pole here, north pole here. Whether there is north or south, what will happen? Magnetic field, one's magnetic field will be along this line, other's magnetic field will be along this line. Both will be perpendicular to each other. Both will be perpendicular to each other. So I have taken north, north. Here B1 will be in this direction, B2 will be in this direction. You find out B1 and B2 by using the previous formula. What will be the net magnetic field? Net magnetic field will be B1 square plus B2 square. As the point of intersection lies on the axial position of both the magnet, what will be B? Mu naught upon 4 pi 2m upon r cube. Here m is given 0.108 joule per Tesla, and this is m is given 0.192 joule per Tesla. So now everything is given, you can do. So this you can do. Now I will begin